In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Create List form in HubSpot. We'll walk through how to update the fields that appear when you create a new list or segment so that the form shows exactly what you and your team need. I'll go step by step, and you can follow along in your own HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the gear icon. This is the shortcut to your account settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings area. Inside settings, focus on the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the section called Data Management. Under that section, you'll see an option called Objects. Click on Objects to open its configuration options. At the top of this page, there's a drop-down where you can choose which object you want to work with. By default, it might show contacts, companies, or something similar. Open that drop-down and change it to Segment Lists. This tells HubSpot that you want to adjust settings related to your lists. Once you've selected Segment Lists, look for a link that says Customize the Create Segment form. This is the area where you can control which fields appear when you create a new list. Click that hyperlink to open the editor. You're now inside the form editor. On the left-hand panel, you should see a section that says Add Properties. This is where you can choose which additional fields you'd like to include on the Create Segment form. By default, some fields are already there and cannot be removed, such as description, object type, processing type, and segment name. These are considered essential for creating a list in HubSpot, so they're locked in place. However, you do have the option to add the owner property. If you want each new list to have a clearly assigned owner, simply check the box next to owner in the left panel. This will add that field to your Create Segment form, making it easier to assign responsibility for each list right when it's created. When you're happy with your changes, move to the top right corner of the screen and click either Save or Save and Close. Save will keep you in the editor, while Save and Close will save your settings and exit the editor. And that's it. You've successfully customized the Create List form in HubSpot, ensuring that your team sees the most important information every time they create a new segment.